In this brief tutorial, I'm going to show you how to apply styles in Office 365 using the web version of Office 365. Note that if Microsoft chooses to put an update through to the web version, things may look different. But at this point in time, the only thing you can do with styles is apply them. So why should you use styles? Styles allow you to consistently format text and change text that has the same format. Styles also allow you to use features in Microsoft Word like automatic generation of table of contents and viewing your document in outline mode. When using styles, you can change the style and the format will automatically update anything that is tagged to that style. Note that changing style format is not available in the web version as of the time I'm recording this, but it is available in the app version. So in the web version, the first thing you want to do is change the ribbon from Simplified ribbon up in the top corner here and move it out from Simplified ribbon to, if you just click the button here, what you'll find is that it'll change the ribbon and to look more like the ribbon you normally see in the desktop version. So this is just for familiarity, and it also is a good practice so that it looks the same. If you need the more complex features, which I'll cover in a different tutorial, the way to get to the desktop version, if you have it installed, is this Edit in Word button right up in here, if you've got the right version installed. So from the View menu, the next thing I'd like you to do is turn on the navigation pane. The navigation pane is used when working on longer documents. It's also great in this demo to show you things. And I'm seeing that I have an error in here, so we'll fix that with our styles when we get there. So let's start by going to the navigation pane, which is available, what did I say, from the View menu. So we go to View, and we go to Navigation pane. And if you click Headings, you can see that my headings are currently in here. So why use styles? From the View menu, why is that one in there? Where is that? Okay, so for some reason that's been tagged as a heading style, so it's showing up in the headings. So what we're going to do here is I'm going to fix this first. Ooh, not that. Fix this by going back to the home page, and I'm just going to open this up and clear the formatting and then put the number back. So that's the way it's supposed to be. Okay. So we got the Simplified ribbon. We've turned on the navigation pane. In order to see the styles that are available to you, you can click this little button next to the list of styles here, and it shows you what all of the styles that are available to you. There are two key kinds of styles that you care about at this point, and that is the heading style and the text style. Now, note that many of the heading styles are also, they're a combination heading text, and that's again, I'll get to that in the other tutorial. This tutorial is the Simplified one. Okay, to apply the heading style, you find a heading that you want to apply the style to. You can either highlight the whole heading and then click the style. Notice how when I clicked it to a heading 2, it automatically showed up on the headings list here on the navigation pane. You can also click within and hit the heading, and it will do the same thing. So I hit a heading 1 there, so it's at that level of indentation. Note that if you highlight a word and hit the heading, it only changes the formatting of the text, because this is one of those special styles that is both a paragraph style and a text style. So if you have only a word, it's just going to change the format of that word. It's not actually going to apply the paragraph style that you want. So it didn't show up in the side corner here. So to get it to show up in the side corner, it's either have put your cursor anywhere within the paragraph but not highlighting any text, or highlight the entire paragraph. To apply text styles, I sort of got to this, but there's right here I have a text style that I want to apply. I just highlight the text I want to apply it on specifically, and then I go to the style. In this case, I'm using intense emphasis, so I click it there. Okay. So that's how you apply the styles. So there are 3 types of styles: text, paragraph, and list. List is a whole other topic because lists can get complicated very quickly. There's also a style that acts as either a paragraph or a text, depending on what is selected. Unfortunately, it doesn't show you which types in this version of Word. When you go into the application of Word, you can see what type of styles they are. Paragraph styles affect the entire paragraph. They're stored in the carriage return symbol. So here's a little hint. If something is not working properly, what you can do is you can turn on the paragraph. Well, that's the direction. Where is it? It doesn't seem to be available in this version. There's a hidden characters, and it doesn't seem to be available online here. So you can't actually turn it on in here. So in the other, but you can actually select them, because you can see that as I highlight there, when I drag at the end here, I actually selected the paragraph tag, and that paragraph tag affects the style. I keep hitting the wrong button here. Here we go. And so if I highlight here and hit heading 1, it will go back to heading 1. Now I'm going to go to normal, and I'm going to go back to my list. Okay. And what else do I have to say here? Editing styles. To edit styles, you currently need to use the desktop version of Word, so I'll cover that in my other tutorial. So that's it for this tutorial.